Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. Today, I'm going to share with you my design for a do-it-yourself EDC Pocket Organizer. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. Thanks. So I have many different EDC pocket organizers, from leather pouches to nylon ones, and they're generally well made but pretty expensive. So I thought, is there a way to carry some of the items that I want, custom made for me, but won't break the bank? So I came up with this particular design, which is something you can make yourself, does not cost a lot of money, but can hold the small EDC items that you want all together. And this is it. It is made from elastic, but as you can see, very handy in size, and this can just slip into my pocket or I can slip into a pouch. And I've got various tools together, and I've even got a card over here. So let's break this down. This EDC Pocket Organizer is made from two lengths of elastic, a 2.5-inch wide elastic and a 2-inch elastic. So the 2-inch elastic is sewn onto the 3-inch elastic and also sewn to create compartments for your different tools. Then the 2.5-inch elastic is folded over and sewn down to form kind of like a wallet slot for your cards. And I've got 3 slots for 3 different tools. I've got a Swiss Army knife, the classic. I've got an Olight IRT or IR2, and I've got a mini multi-tool in the form of a Gerber dime. So that's how it looks like. Card slot, you can put a card, you can put money, and everything, as you can see, really small, compact. You can wash this, very lightweight, and something you can do yourself. Now the great thing is I have put together a guide on how to make this. You can just go ahead and sign up at urbaknifeguy.com and you can download the instructions on how to make this. If you're already a subscriber to the website, you will get an email with the download link as well. But let me just give you some tips on how to put this together. As mentioned, you need 2 lengths of elastic. This is the 2.5-inch, this is the 2-inch. And basically what you need to do is to sew the 2-inch elastic onto the 2.5-inch elastic, just like that. So you'd sew it down centered, and the way you have to do it is you would have to slot your tools in and mark it down with tailoring chalk so that you know what the fit is, because this really is customized for your needs. And then you sew that down, put in the next 2, mark it down, sew it down until you've got 3 compartments. I think 3 is just right. You could of course make 4, but that'll make this a pretty big package. And eventually, after you've sewn those or this 2-inch strap down with the sections, you then fold everything over just like that, sew down the end, cut it off, and then sew the bottom. And that's how you get this finished product. Of course, you do need someone who knows how to sew, and I'd like to thank my wonderful mum who actually helped me put this together based on my design. And you can finish it as best as you want. You will need to machine sew it with a thick needle, because this is very thick material. So just make sure you find someone who can sew it, and if you can do it yourself, great. Now I found that this is the best order to put the tools: the Swiss Army knife, the light in the middle, and the multi-tool. I think it just gives the right tension and also just the right logical division. I do have a lanyard over here just so that I can pull out the light easily. Now instead of the Gerber dime, of course, you can fit any mini multi-tool of a similar size. For example, the very popular Leatherburn Micra, that would fit this as well. And also the squirt would also fit. Now the Gerber splice is a bit too wide. As you can see, it is much wider than the rest, so that won't fit. But if you really want to put in the splice, then you just adjust this, pin it down, and you measure it, mark it down, and sew down accordingly to accommodate your multi-tool, depending on whatever multi-tool you want. There you have it, my do-it-yourself EDC Pocket Organizer that will not break the bank. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and whether you've designed something similar. In fact, I'm sure someone would have come up with something like that. I can't imagine that this is completely original, but I did come up with this independently, and I should mention, I do reserve manufacturing rights. You can make this for yourself, no problem with that, but please don't sell this. This is a UKG Urban Knife Guy design. Well, let me know your thoughts thoughts in the comments below, and if you think can be improved, let me know as well. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.